says that bronze has been one of the most prominent materials across the world. All the known civilizations, like the Egyptians and the Harappans. In our Vedas too, bronze has constantly been referred to as Shuddha Dhatu, or pure metal. Now this here is made of another material called brass. In Sanskrit, it is called pittal. Just like bronze, brass too was an important and prominent material back then. Today, we have more important and far more precious materials like gold, silver, platinum, etc. Gold and silver have taken up such an important part of our luxuries just because of the fact that they are not that easily available and so very costly to extract. Well, the same was the story of bronze, copper, brass, and other materials back then too. Look how times have changed. Oh, I get it. You are probably wondering why I'm telling you about my fascination with these metals. Now, before I tell you why, we need to understand some more things, like how did these people live? What did they do in their free time? How did they earn money? What kind of things did they buy? I could go on and on. We have learned so much about kings and kingdoms and religions. But now we are going to spend some time with the people of the country, in the villages, in the towns, in their homes, and even in their kitchens. So what do we know about people? We know that they started off from being hunter-gatherers and eventually, over time, grew smarter and started settling down in villages, towns, and cities. But for the developments to happen so fast, a lot of things were required. Trade and money was required. Why? So that people could specialize and develop materials like brass, bronze, copper, and iron. Then they could trade all of that to make large amounts of money and grow rich. Yes, these materials defined the way people lived in those times. They weren't just used for eating or serving food. They were also used for making tools and weapons of war. As we already know, there was a lot of fighting that went on in those days. So yeah, kings used loads and loads of this stuff. Apart from weapons, such materials were used to make toys for the little ones. They were also used to make statues and other souvenirs like flower vases.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.